In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a striking drop shadow effect to your text using Paint.net, a versatile and free image editing software. This can really give your graphics a professional edge, making them pop out and stand out visually. First things first, let's go ahead and open your Paint.net software. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it for free from the official website. Once you have it open and ready to go, you're on the right track to enhance your design skills. Next, it's time to get creative and insert some text. Click on the Text tool in your Paint.net interface and type in the words or phrase you want to add a drop shadow to. Position your text box on the canvas wherever it suits your design best. Now, when it comes to selecting a font, keep in mind that the drop shadow effect tends to look more impactful with bold and thick letterings. Choose a font that resonates with your overall design aesthetic. Once you have your text in place, we move to the exciting part, adding that eye-catching drop shadow. Head over to the top menu and click on Effects. From the drop-down list, you'll see various options, but you'll want to direct your attention to Photo. In the Photo submenu, you'll find an option labeled Glow. Select this to access the settings that will help you create the drop shadow effect. In the Glow settings, you'll see 3 sliders: Brightness, Contrast, and Control Radius. Here's where the magic happens. First, bring the brightness slider all the way down. This step is crucial as it tones down any bright glow and prepares the settings for a shadow effect instead. Once the brightness is set at its lowest, play around with the control radius and contrast sliders. Adjust these settings to get the shadow effect stretching and fading just the way you want it. By tweaking these sliders, you can control how far and how soft the shadow appears from your text, allowing you to create anything from a subtle shadow to a more pronounced, dramatic effect. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a drop shadow to your text in Paint.net, giving it depth and dimension. It's an easy yet effective way to enhance your images, whether for a personal project, social media post, or professional presentation. Remember, experimenting with different colors and opacity settings can also lead to interesting results, so don't hesitate to explore within the Glow effect to find the style that suits your project best. Thank you for following along. With just a few simple steps, you've learned a neat trick to elevate your graphic design game using Paint.net. Happy creating, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.